Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add HTML to Wix. So let's go to Wix first. Go to Wix editor page. Then you have to click on this plus icon. Then you'll find here embed code. Click on this embed code and you'll find here embed HTML. This one. Click on embed HTML. Now you will find here this box. You have to position the box where you want to put your. You can make it big like this, and you'll find here this pop-up window, and you have to select code. If you find this select web address must select code, then you have to write here the HTML code. Okay, after that you have to, after complete the code, you have to click on update or apply. Okay, so this is how you can add HTML code to Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.